Venezuela is home to Angel Falls, the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world at an incredible 3,212 feet. Did you know that Venezuelans celebrate the New Year twice?
They ring in midnight and then join global festivities. There's also a fun local legend about Venezuelan llamas that adds charm to the culture.
The Los Roques archipelago dazzles with its unique hollow reef system and crystal-clear waters, perfect for adventurers.
However, despite its oil wealth, Venezuela faces shocking gasoline shortages due to serious issues.
It's hard to believe that while the country is famous for its fine cacao, many locals can't enjoy chocolate because of soaring inflation. The Bolivar currency has tanked, with inflation once hitting a staggering 1,000,000%. And don't miss Mount Roraima, a flat-topped marvel that inspired the lost world, showcasing nature's beauty. Like, comment, and share if you dream of visiting the waterfall.